If you hear, maybe God have give you wisdom, maybe from your friends or family or maybe any outsider. Normally people will start as Arduino to gain interest in electronic. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, this is the Arduino compatible board. So let's just drive through and see what the component inside the Arduino. Okay, this is the Arduino Uno board. This is the compatible board and not Arduino Uno original, but it functions same as the original one. So let's see here. This is the USB. Right here, this is USB for plug-in, USB, and this is barrel jack. These two act as power for the Arduino. Alright. Okay, then let's see. This is the ground pin. There are two ground pin here, which stands for ground. And here, this ground. Okay, this two pin is ground, and the 5 volt and 3.3 volt is for the power supply for the Arduino. Okay, here. Then I got the reset and IRF. This is the reference. And let's see here, this is the analog pin. Right here, this is the area of analog, which is for the sensor like temperature, humidity, and so on. Okay, so let's go to the digital pin. Right here, digital pin is here. Okay, this is the digital pin. Okay, sorry, this is the digital pin here. So mostly the area pin used for digital pin. This pin is used for power the LED, push button, and much more. So if you see this tilted is for PWM. You see they got 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Those are the PWM. PWM stands for pulse width modulation. It's like this tilt. This pulse width modulation is used for simulate the analog pin. Just like it's like fading the LED and much more. You can do much more. This is the basic of the fundamental for the pulse width modulation. Is like fading the LED. Okay, the next is AREF. AREF. This is for the analog reference. Okay, this is the analog reference. Then we got the reset button here. Okay, this is the reset button. Okay, then we got power LED indicator here. This is the power LED indicator. Okay, most probably if you for your first programming, you will be turn on and off this LED. That is the basic tutorial for the Arduino. And next we go to the TX and RX. Okay, this is TX stands for transmit, RX stands for receive. So this transmit and receive, these two is act as serial communication for the serial monitor. Okay, that things you will be learn. Most probably there's tons of YouTube video in the video tutorial you can learn. Here, this is the voltage regulator here. Okay, voltage regulator, they act as a gate. This is the gate which will be learned in electronic. There will be further understanding what is gate. So this voltage regulator keeping Arduino from high voltage. Let's say if high voltage come in, then this voltage regulator will be keeping Arduino from harmful. So make sure not hook up more than 20 volt because this voltage regulator is withstand not more than 20 volt. Okay, so last but not least is the which is the 14 component of essential here, which is the IC, main IC here. Okay, main IC basically is act as a brain for the Arduino here. IC. Okay, there's two actually. One and here at male 2. So these two is IC, they act as brain for the Arduino. Okay, that is the 14 essential part component in the Arduino. Okay, let's quickly recap that. Now you see roughly the ideas component in the Arduino board itself. Arduino can be used in many type of applications such as temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and much more interesting project as well. Tons of video in the YouTube you can learn from the YouTube. Okay, that's all for me. Tell me what I need to improve in the video as I'm still new. Let's share the knowledge to others. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Alright then, see ya.